everything's packed. We're on the way to Austin. Dad in front of me, my mom and my sister and my dog are behind me. I think we might stop somewhere soon because my dad said he has to use the bathroom. So I will check in with y'all when we stop. We just pulled up to Buc-ee's. This was definitely my sister's idea. We just stopped at Buc-ee's. I got some pickles. But we're about to be there, so I think I'm gonna stop vlogging. We have 26 miles left, 31 minutes. My camera's bouncing up and down. I don't know why, but when we get there, I'll let y'all know. Bye! Today's video is sponsored by Walmart. I find the best things on Walmart.com, and they're having great Black Friday deals between November 25th and December 2nd. When I saw this mirror, I couldn't help myself. It's so beautiful, and look how much I saved on it. I also found the most perfect jeans for my body type by Signature by Levi, and of course I had to get 2 different colors. These are boot cut and they fit me like a glove. They're super comfortable and stretchy, and the quality of the denim is so good. I was really shocked at how affordable they were as well, so I'm really obsessed with these. They're a perfect staple for my closet, and I just can't get over the fit, so I'm probably going to be wearing these every week. I have the hardest time finding jeans that actually fit me comfortably and flatter my body, so I'm pleasantly surprised with these. If you guys also are in that same boat and you can never find jeans, these are perfect, so make sure you run and get them because they're probably gonna sell out. There's a lot of clothing deals on Walmart this Black Friday, so make sure you guys get your hands on some affordable winter pieces while you can. I also picked up this striped sweater mainly to wear over my shoulders as a layering piece, but it's so cute, and I love that the sleeves flare out, and you can never have enough sweaters. I also found a really good deal on this puffer coat, which is a winter staple. You can find so many cute things for the best prices on Walmart.com, so make sure you guys check the link in my bio to shop more. And thanks again, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. Yesterday I was trying to get a little bit of unpacking done without the camera just so I could go a little faster, but I was so tired, y'all. I caught up on all my sleep last night, so I feel better. Today I'm gonna try to unpack everything, not everything, but like most things. Also been feeling like a little like sinus infection-y. Just feels like my nose is really dry and like I have a little bit of a cough. It also could be because I haven't been sleeping that much and I just had a lot going on, but honestly the move wasn't as crazy as I was expecting. It went pretty smooth. We dropped off the truck yesterday. We didn't go over the mileage. Okay, we talk about how good the lighting looks in this bathroom. My old apartments never had good lighting, and that was like my one thing that I couldn't stand. I'm happy everything went smooth. I'm excited to be here. The place is adorable, like everything's perfect. So yeah, let's get unpacking because there is a lot to do. There's a lot going on. I have boxes over here that need to be unpacked. Yesterday I did do some of the kitchen. I put away the plates and the bowls. I also did the glasses, which we don't have that many. I thought I had more, but I guess not. There's basically just like all my stuff everywhere. All these boxes over here. My room is pretty chaotic as well. I have a lot to do in here. I just have like 2 boxes in my bathroom, but that's my shower. I'm so happy to finally have a standing shower. And then this is like the kind of, sorry about the mess, y'all, but this is the countertop. Here's the closet, so I'm gonna start working on that now. Working on the bathroom, and I just decided to take everything out of my like organizers and reorganize it. I just put like a few organizers in here. Down there I have some like body care stuff, and I have to figure out where to put all of this stuff plus more, so we'll see. Today's the 24th. I've been here since the 13th. So it's been a week and a half since I got here. Today's to-do list, I have to go to the grocery store. We literally have no groceries, so that's important because I also really want to start eating healthy. Like, I've been eating really bad and gaining a lot of weight, so I need to nip it in the bud. I gotta get ahead of that. I'm gonna spray my hair with the Super Milk. It smells really, really good. I'm out of a lot of my essentials. I need a new loofah, tweezers, razors, things like that. So I'm gonna go pick that up along with some groceries. I'm just trying to like get everything in my life together. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup just a little bit. I'm gonna try to do something very quick. I want to leave by 12:30 and I have to look for the nearest Walmart. I don't think I have anything else to say. I just wanted to update you guys on the plan for today. Makeup is done. Put my spectacles on. I literally hate wearing glasses, but yeah, I need new glasses too. These are okay, but they're just really basic. I want some like 90s skinny ones. At the Walmart. Don't really want to film in here. I'm gonna do my very best to get some footage. I'm like fighting demons trying not to go to Chick-fil-A right now. I ate at the house and I'm getting food. It's been a minute since I talked to you guys. I've just been trying to unpack everything because we have friends coming in town and the house needed to be cleaned. So I have a couple more things to do today. I need to finish laundry and just like deep clean the house, so I'm doing all that today. But I think this is going to be the last day that I'm filming, and I'll show you guys like a general overview of the house.